Life with 5 kids can be a bit chaotic. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun.
Meet the Wolfe family, party of 7.
I always said I wanted the Von Trapp family with the whistle signals and the matching outfits.
With a family this big, a house full of toys is essential.
Toys are everything.
Yeah, they are. It's very important to them. We try to keep them away from screen time and more hands-on stuff.
Finding the right toys, though, can be a challenge. But Fisher-Price, a leader in the industry for 88 years, has come up with some tips to help families upgrade their playroom with a purpose. Today's tip:
let toys live on and last.
Oh, yeah. Musical math. I have 4 instruments.
When we come up with new ideas for toys at Fisher-Price, we're always thinking not just how can we make this really sturdy and durable so it lasts and lasts and lasts and you can play and play and play as hard as you want. We also think, how can we incorporate these features that are layered in so your kids discover them as they grow.
Lauren Salenza is a senior child testing researcher for Fisher-Price's Play Lab, where children and their parents come to make sure every toy is fun to play with and encourages imagination.
Rocktopus teaches musical facts, so kids love to mix and match and make different songs and hear the musical sounds that come out of him. But there's also some really fun games in Rocktopus.
Simca and Nevaeh love the Rocktopus. I think that's going to be a fan favorite for a while. Simca loves music, Nevaeh loves music. I think even the brother is going to join in and play.
I always hear from parents that they love the Kick and Play piano gym, and more often than not, it's really one of baby's first toys that they can really activate, because the first thing that infants know how to do, and we all know from having them in our bellies, is they kick, and they're really great at it. So you can lay them on that and they start to kick, and they are able to hit the piano keys and make music.
Thelma was enamored with that toy. We could already tell that was a favorite immediately for her.
And when babies grow out of it, the piano can be detached so toddlers can walk around and play with the Kick and Play piano gym. Another great Fisher-Price toy that lives on and lasts is the Sit-to-Stand Activity Center, perfect for babies who are able to sit up.
Babies love that because they really love to rotate around activity centers. So you can put the baby in the seat and there's lots of fun toys. You know, there's things for them to bat at and lots of things for them to do. But as they grow out of wanting to sit, you can rotate it around and it becomes a ramp that they can drop toys down.
Oh, we love it for a million reasons. It keeps her occupied. We were putting her in a swing or in the pack and play, but really she reached a developmental stage where she needed more, and that toy is going to grow with her for a while.
We want your family to be able to play with these toys for years and years and years, and the first kids and the second kids and the 5th kids.
And for more information, go to fisherprice.com or visit designingspaces.tv.